Hello students, today we will study about the chapter rotation and revolution. The earth has two very important motions or the primary movements called as rotation and revolution. Let us study about rotation. Rotation is the turning around of the earth on its axis from west to east. The earth completes one spin from west to east on its axis in 24 hours. The actual period or time required by the Earth to rotate on its axis relative to the stars is almost 23 hours 56 minutes 4.09 seconds. This is termed as sidereal day and is almost 4 minutes shorter than the solar day because of Earth's orbital motion. The speed of the movement of the equator is 1660 km per hour. The speed decreases towards the poles. The earth rotates on its own axis. This axis is an imaginary line passing through the center of the earth which spins when the earth rotates. The axis of the earth makes an angle of 66.5 degree to the orbital plane or 23.5 degree to the vertical plane. This tilting of axis is called as inclination of the earth's axis. It always keeps a fixed angle with the orbital plane or ecliptic plane. It always points to the same direction during the period of revolution. Its position remains constant. That is why it is known as constancy or parallelism of the axis. Inclination of Earth's axis causes unequal duration of day and night from place to place. It causes a change in the season. Because of the tilted position of the Earth's axis, each pole is inclined alternatively towards the sun twice a year. When it is summer in northern hemisphere, it is inclined towards the sun and the south pole is away, hence southern hemisphere experiences winter. Similarly, during winter, the north pole is away from the sun and the south pole is inclined towards the sun, hence it is summer in the southern hemisphere. If axis was perpendicular to the plane of ecliptic, every place on the earth's surface would have had 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night, and there would have been no seasons. Now let us study about the rotation of the earth. There are so many effects of rotation. It causes alteration of day and night, occurrence of day and night, variation in temperature, different times of sunrise and sunset at different places of earth is due to rotation of earth. Rotation of the earth causes a centrifugal force to develop which causes the earth's poles to flatten and the equator to bulge slightly. Due to this reason, earth is an oblate spheroid. Due to the rotation of the earth, there is consistent change in the direction of winds and the water of the oceans. They are deflected towards right in northern hemisphere and towards left in southern hemisphere due to Coriolis force created by the rotation of the earth, which is called Coriolis effect. It was first discovered by the French scientist Gustave Coriolis. Regular occurrences of tides twice a day and their gradual westward progress is the result of Earth's rotation. The rotation of the Earth from west to east determines the direction in which the sun, moon and stars appear to rise and set. Rotation also affects the pressure belts and movements of air on the Earth's surface.